It is spring, which means every Canadian home has what feels like 10 months of winter in the house, in the ceiling corners, behind the furniture, in the carpets. It's time proper spring cleaning with your vacuum. And most homes miss a lot of this stuff, but not today. Today, I'm giving you my expert vacuum strategy of how to do your house room by room, because my wife makes me do the vacuuming at home. Start with the ceiling, not the floors. If it's been a while, look up where the walls meet the ceiling. Cobwebs are on the ceiling corners, ceiling fans, vents, light fixtures. Get all of those cleaned before you hit the floors. Any vacuum cleaner you have at home has something called a dusting brush. Use this to reach everything we just talked about. Second accessory tool you should be using is a crevice tool. Obviously, your couch cushions and everything in between there, but this is also a great tool for baseboards, under cabinets and your fridge and things like that. Last but not least, your upholstery tool. This is also included with any vacuum cleaner you have. First thing you're going to clean with this is your bed. Trust you me, you want to keep doing that every 2 to 3 months maximum. Furniture and upholstery, obviously, but did you know if you have carpeted stairs, this is also a really great tool on any carpeted stair. And if you're using the vacuum in your car, you'll also appreciate using your upholstery tool. The reason I say that and state the obvious is because on a daily basis we get vacuums here. Everything on the vacuum looks used and abused. The tools, they've never been touched before. Just to wrap it up, room by room, living room, family room, dining room, ceiling corners, cobwebs, ceiling fans, light fixtures, baseboards, and behind the furniture. Next, in your bedroom, mattresses, light fixtures, and also under the bed is a place that's always missed some way. Also, another culprit in the bedroom, the closet, especially the closet floor. You want to make sure you get that. In the bathroom, check the ventilation exhaust fan. Everyone misses it all the time. And before I go, my secret weapon is this. This, if you don't know, is a long, flexible crevice tool. Long, flexible crevice tool. This is going to be one of your most favorite accessory tools ever. Why? Because it can go places nothing else can, including under the fridge, under the stove, between the cabinets, dryers. One of the best ways to prevent fires in a dryer is to get something like this and get all the lint out. Your car, the Bermuda Triangle next to your seat, you're gonna need this. Anyways, this particular one is a Miele branded one, but you know what? There's generic ones for every other type of brand. If you don't have one, get yourself a long, flexible crevice tool. You'll thank me.